When I set out to review AirPods Max, I had a few things in mind, a few questions, but the main one was, are these worth €600 or $550 depending on where you're from? That was the question, the main one that I set out to answer, and I came up with some interesting findings which I want to share with you in this video. So, AirPods Max, they have a really premium feel, and that's where I want to start off. The unboxing experience is unlike anything else when it comes to headphones. It has a really premium Apple box like you come to expect from Apple. And inside this box, you will find nothing but a lightning cable, some regulatory information and some quick start guides, and the AirPods Max themselves. Nothing special. And that's really a shame because you have to pay extra for the cable that you can use to get the audio jack experience with these headphones. Lightning to 3.5mm jack, and that's €30 on top of the extra you're paying for the premium feel that these give off with their aluminum build and their premium ear cup design, which can be swapped out. So if you get a white pair and the colour starts to discolour on the ear cups over time, you can easily change that for €60. For the privilege of €60 you can change it. But the sound quality for the price is very impressive. Like, I haven't heard something as good sounding as these. Yeah, I haven't heard them in quite a while. Like, these are incredible. For what they offer, I think, yeah, they're worth the money if you can get them for £400, which is what they sell for on Amazon. If you go onto the Amazon DE or Amazon.co.uk or Amazon Renewed, they can be found for about €400 or $400. And if you can get them for that, they're worth it. And I just spoiled the video for you, but that's the reality of it. They're just premium enough to where you're paying to get the status that comes with AirPods Max, but you're also paying a premium without having basic things like being able to plug into an audio jack, having water resistance. You want to use these while running? I don't recommend it, because these things, when you sweat, you'll throw out the electronics. And that's one thing that I am not satisfied with. For €600, it's unacceptable that these things do not have water resistance. I don't care about how fancy they are, or I don't care about how fancy the mechanism to adjust them is. If you can't use water resistance, if you can't take these out and get into a little shower of rain with them, what's the point? Now let's discuss the case. Oh, the case. First I want to tell you about today's sponsor, Jones Cane's Coffee. The coffee is online purchase. It's a brand new brand started up by Stephen, and it's one person working on the coffee, so you're sure to get a premium brand, just a wide variety of flavours to choose from, different types of grounds, there's chocolates and that kind of thing. So if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, I'll leave a link to the website down below for you to check out. Thank you very much for sponsoring today's episode, James Cane's Coffee, and we're back to the video. Now let's talk about the bra case. Yeah, it's a bra case. Like, everyone's talked about it, and I don't want to feed into the meme anymore, just to say it's a shit case. But yes, it's a shit case, but I do feel like it could be worth it to pick up a third-party case. I know DJ Troyborg showed off a case there from third party, but you shouldn't have to pay a third-party price for £600 headphones. Overall, I'm not really satisfied with these headphones fully because of the price point, because of the quality of the case. However, if you can get them for £400, you're going up against the Bose QC700s and the XM4s. I do feel like they're worth it. And I'm confused as to where I want to buy them full time, because they're still really decent headphones. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Did you pick up a pair? Did you buy a pair? All that and more, let me know. I'm Connor. I'll catch you.